So we just finished talking about how the possession is expressed by using la camisa de Michelle. Okay. What we're going to talk about right now are possessive adjectives. All right. So pretty much we have that phrase la camisa de Michelle. Okay. In this case, which means what? We were talking about Michelle's shirt. Okay. What we're going to be doing with a possessive adjective is it will replace the name, and we are going to say her shirt. All right. That's what a possessive adjective does. It replaces the name of the person with his or her or yours. Okay. Now I want to go over what they are because there are two. I'm going to draw a little conjugation charts. There are going to be two of them, two sets, because we're going to go over what they're going to be. Now, instead of saying her shirt, what if it belonged to me? I would say it's my shirt. And the first one we have is the word my. Does anybody know what that is going to be? Me. So I could say es mi camisa. It's my shirt. Okay. After my is your, which would be, we saw it in your bell work. Tu. Es tu camisa. It's your shirt. All right. Then down here we have his or hers or yours, but what? Formal. Okay. We have his shirt, her shirt, or your shirt, but formally it is this word, su. Right. Es su camisa. Then up here we have our. Does anybody know what that is? Nuestro or nuestra. What does that indicate automatically with nuestro and nuestra? Masculine or feminine. So we'll talk about that. And then down here we have, this would be what? His, hers, yours, or it would be their or your, plural. Meaning if I were talking to you guys, it's your shirt. And any ideas? What do you notice?
If they're the same.
They're exactly the same. Right. So these are the possessive adjectives, but there are actually more. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to write other ones over here. Because we also have mis, tus, sus, nuestros or nuestras, and sus. Now what do you see?
They're still the same.
They're pretty much the same, but they'll have s's at the end. And so we can automatically tell that what is also taken into account. Number.
Yeah.
How many there are. So an example would be, if we're talking about Michelle's shirt, how would I say her shirt? Su camisa. Okay.
Why is this different?
Okay. Su camisa. What was the question? Okay. Watch what I do here. Sus camisas. What did I do? Her shirts. Okay. So in this case, I might say es su camisa. It is her shirt. Here I would say son sus camisas. They are her shirts. So that is kind of the difference. Now, again, we're talking about either one shirt or more than one shirt. So notice how, if what we're talking about is one thing, it's going to be that singular one. My shirt, mi camisa, tu camisa, su camisa, nuestra camisa. Oh, did you catch that one? What did I do there? Es nuestra camisa. Explain that one. It's nuestra because of what? What's feminine? My shirt, I have a feminine shirt. The word for shirt is feminine. In that case, it would be nuestra camisa. All right. One of the things you'll see here, I'm going to do a couple little practice things here and see if you guys can get them. Some examples. Okay. We have. I'm going to erase right here, and I can say, ella es blank abuela, and I've got ellos son blank primos, él es blank padre, okay, and ellas son blank hermanas. Now, we have these here. Let's see. If I were to say is now, the top one I'm saying AS, and I'll say your abuela. What am I going to use? I'm going to use tu. Ella es tu abuela. Okay. Now, if I had they are your primos or your cousins, what is it going to be? Ellos son tus. All right. Again, in English does this word change? Your and your. Is there any difference?
Yes.
There is no difference in English. Y-O-U-R, Y-O-U-R. But in Spanish, there's tu and tus because you have abuela and you have primos, singular and plural. Now, él es our padre. What would it be? Nuestro. Why nuestro? Because the word padre is masculine and singular. Hence, singular and masculine. Then ellas son our hermanas. Do we see a difference between the word our and our in English? No, but do we see a difference in Spanish? Yes. So that's why we have two separate ones. We have me versus mis. Nuestro versus nuestra. Nuestros versus nuestras. Are there any questions about that?